Assalamu alaikum dear student. I am Fozia Aslam, your science teacher, and welcome you all to DPS online classes. Dear student, in our today's lecture, we are going to discuss the atomic and mass numbers. In our today's lectures, we mainly discuss the atomic number, mass number, and symbolic representation of an elements. The learning objective of this lesson is that by the end of lesson, students will be able to describe the atomic number of different elements. You will be able to explain the mass number of an elements. You will also be able to find out the number of neutrons from the given relationship. Dear students, in your previous lecture, you have studied about the structure of an atom. And what is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of matter that cannot exist independently. And what is matter? Any substance that has mass and occupies a space is known as matter. In an early stages, it is thought that the atoms could not be divided and it could not exist independently. But recent research shows that atoms consist of further particles, and these particles are known as fundamental particles. Atoms are made of three fundamental particles, and these are electrons, protons, and neutrons. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus of an atom while the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Electron has a negative charge, proton has a positive charge while the neutron has no charge. The mass of an electron is so small while the mass of proton is 1837 times greater than that of electron, and the mass of neutron is equal to the mass of protons. And it was all about your previous lecture. Now students, let's start our today's lectures, which is atomic number. The definition of this atomic number is that the number of protons present in a nucleus of an atom is called the atomic number. जितने भी किसी भी एटम की न्यूक्लियस में नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स होंगे वो उस एटम का एटॉमिक नंबर होगा. एंड देन इज अ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एन एटॉमिक नंबर. द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कैपिटल जी. सो हम किसी भी एटम की या कोई एटॉमिक नंबर को कैपिटल जी से शो करते हैं. There is also some examples of an atomic number. Number 1, hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom has 1 protons in its nucleus, so its atomic number is 1. As we can say in a definition, जितने भी number of protons होंगे किसी भी atom की nucleus में वो इसका atomic number होगा. So nucleus के hydrogen की nucleus में एक proton है, so इसका atomic number 1 है. Carbon has 6 proton in the nucleus, so its atomic नंबर इज 6. और हमारे पास कार्बन के न्यूक्लियस में 6 प्रोटॉन्स हैं, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स एटॉमिक नंबर इज 6. सिमिलरली इन द केस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, ऑक्सीजन हैज 8 प्रोटॉन इन द न्यूक्लियस, सो इट्स हैज एटॉमिक नंबर इज 8. Each element has its own specific atomic number by which we can identify the element by knowing its atomic number. हर element का एक specific atomic number होता है जिसके वजह से हम उसको identify कर सकते हैं. इस बात को हम इस तरह से explain कर सकते हैं जैसे कि आपकी टीचर आपको कहें कि बेटा बताएं मेरे पास एक element है और उसका atomic number 8 है, तो आप easily उसको बता सकेंगे कि 8 वाला element आप टीचर के पास ऑक्सीजन है, क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन इज एन एलिमेंट दैट हैज़ एन 8 एटॉमिक नंबर. ये 8 एटॉमिक नंबर किसी और एलिमेंट का नहीं है, इट इज एन फिक्स्ड फॉर ऑक्सीजन एटम. Similarly 6 for carbon, 7 for nitrogen, 1 for hydrogen. So after the atomic number there is a mass number. The sum of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is called its mass number. जितने भी किसी भी एटम की न्यूक्लियस में नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन्स होंगे वो उसके एटॉमिक उसके mass number के इक्वल होंगे. ठीक है. There is also some representation of mass number. The mass number of any element can be represented by a capital A. किसी भी एटम के हम mass number को capital A से represent करेंगे. There is also some examples of mass number. Number one, hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom has only a one proton in its nucleus, so its mass number is 1. जैसे कि हमने definition में देखा कि mass number है sum of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. While in the case of hydrogen atom, there is only a one proton in the nucleus of an atom, while zero neutron is present. So that's why the atomic mass number of an hydrogen atom is 1. In the case of carbon, carbon has 6 proton and 6 neutron in its nucleus, so its mass number is 12. जैसे कि sum of proton और neutron है mass number का, तो हमारे पास कार्बन में 6 protons और 6 neutrons होते हैं कार्बन एटम के न्यूक्लियस में, सो इसका mass number जो होगा वो 12 होगा. Similarly, in the case of an oxygen, oxygen has 8 proton and 8 neutron in its nucleus, so its mass number is 16. Nitrogen has 7 neutrons and 7 proton in its nucleus, so its mass number is 14. इसी तरह किसी भी एलिमेंट के न्यूक्लियस में जितने नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स और नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स होंगे उनका सम इज इक्वल टू अ मास नंबर. Here you can see a diagram. हाइड्रोजन एटम ये हमारे पास हाइड्रोजन की न्यूक्लियस में प्रेजेंट है प्रोटॉन, जबकि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन आर रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. There is only one proton is present in the nucleus while the zero neutron present in the nucleus. So हमारे पास atomic number of hydrogen is equal to 1 and mass number is also is equal to 1. जितने भी एटम में number of protons होते हैं उतने ही number of electrons भी होते हैं, यानी कि number of electrons is equal to number of proton. Here you can see in the structure of oxygen, there is an 8 proton is present in the nucleus of an oxygen atom, so 8 electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Here you can see negatively charged electron and this is positively charged proton, so 8 proton and 8 electron is revolving around the nucleus. In the structure of an carbon, there is 6 protons present in the nucleus of an atom and 6 electrons is revolving around the nucleus. Well, if we are talking about the mass number of an carbon, 6 proton and 6 neutron present in the nucleus of an carbon atom, that's why its mass number is 12. We can use the atomic number and mass number to find out the number of neutrons. अगर हमें किसी भी एलिमेंट के mass number और atomic number given है तो we can easily find out the number of neutrons. Mass number is equal to the number of protons z plus the number of neutrons. In order to find out the number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus number of protons. इसको एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके टीचर ने आपको 8 नंबर आपको ऑक्सीजन के नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स कैलकुलेट करने के लिए कहा है, तो क्या करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू मास नंबर माइनस नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. अब हमारे पास ऑक्सीजन का जो मास नंबर होता है दैट इज 16 एंड देयर इज एन 8 नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स प्रेजेंट इन द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एन ऑक्सीजन एटम. वी कैन पुट दैट 16 minus 8 and is equal to 8 number of neutron. So in the structure of in the nucleus of oxygen atom there is an also 8 neutron is present. General symbolic representation of an element, and any element can be represented by a general symbolic representation. Here the z and here the x and z in the bottom, and here is an a. Z is represent any element. For any element, Z is for atomic number, and there is an A which is represent the mass number. Recapitulation, as students we have studied about the atomic number and mass number. In atomic number we have studied that the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is equal to its atomic number, and the atomic number of any element can be represented by a capital Z. We also studied some example of an atomic number. For example, hydrogen atom has only one proton in its nucleus, so its atomic number is 1. Carbon atom has 6 protons in its nucleus, so its atomic number is 6. Oxygen atom has 8 proton in its nucleus, so its atomic number is 8. And after the atomic number we have also studied about the mass number. The sum of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is equal to a mass number, and the mass number of any element can be represented by a capital A. There is also some example which we have studied. Number one, hydrogen. Hydrogen has only one proton and zero neutron in its nucleus, so its mass number is 1. Carbon atom has 6 protons and 6 neutron in its nucleus, so its mass number is 12. Oxygen has 8 proton and 8 neutron in its nucleus, so its mass number is 16. Nitrogen has 7 proton and 7 neutron, so its mass number is 14. After that, we have also studied how to find out the number of neutrons, and number of neutron is equal to mass number minus number of protons. And we have also studied about the general symbolic representation of an element, which is a Z, and on the upper end A and lower end Z. A represent for mass number and Z represent for atomic number. Let's student assess our topic with some multiple choice question. Number 1, the number of proton present in its nucleus is called option A mass number, option B valency, option C atomic number, and option D molecule. And the correct option is atomic number, option C. 2, the atomic number of carbon is option A 12, option B 7, option C 6, and option D 9, and the correct option is 6, option C. Third one is that the sum of neutrons and proton is known as option A mass number, option B ions, option C atoms, and option D protons, and the correct option is mass number, option A. Fourth one is that 16 is the atomic mass of option A carbon, option B hydrogen, option C nitrogen, and option D oxygen, and the correct option is option D oxygen. So students, there is some homework assignment question. Number 1, differentiate between the atomic number and mass number. You can easily differentiate between the atomic number and mass number because you have studied in this lecture about the atomic number and mass number. Question number 2, how many neutrons and protons are present in carbon, and which you have also studied about in carbon. You can easily answer that question. And question number 3, give the symbolic representation of an element, and which is X, and A, Z, X coordinates for any element. So it was all about our today's lectures, and thank you so much for watching this video.